Do you know that facial symmetry is considered as a sign of beauty and attraction around the world? A study shows that men who feel hungry often preferred women with higher weights. A study conducted in the United Kingdom found that whenever a woman finds a man attractive, she speaks with a higher pitched voice. Evolutionary biologists say that it's better to be average looking, as average features advertise better reproductive health and more diverse set of genes. Studies show that we are more attracted to people who look similar to us. Women's hormone levels are affected by birth control pills. Women who are taking birth control pills are more attracted to men with more masculine features. But these men are often linked to aggressive behavior, higher testosterone levels, and even higher divorce rates. Children who are born to their parents in their 30s tend to find older faces more attractive than children born to their parents in their 20s. During your college life, on what basis did you rate your teachers? Studies show that students tend to rate their teachers' performance more on the basis of physical attractiveness than on the knowledge and their ability to explain. If you are more attractive, then there are chances that you are less likely to suffer punishment when convicted and even lesser chances to be convicted. Did you notice that you prefer to follow attractive politicians than their counterparts? Studies show that attractive politicians receive more news coverage than their counterparts. According to researchers, women who have been shown ideal and perfect body images usually lower their satisfaction with their own attractiveness in middle ages. To become attractive, affluent noble women would dab bat's blood on their skin or swallow arsenic to improve complexion. In most of the cultures, men find that younger women are more attractive than older women. Whereas women are attracted towards older men, Americans spend more money on beauty enhancements than they do on education per year. $160 billion a year is the value of global industry that includes cosmetics, skin and hair care, perfumes, cosmetic surgery, hormone injections, health clubs, and weight loss programs. Research has found that during ovulating, women prefer masculine-looking men. But at other times of the month, they seek men with softer features. Studies suggest that both within and across ethnicity and culture, humans agree on who is and isn't attractive. Researchers note that there are universal standards of attractiveness. Studies show that attractive people exhibit more traits and positive behaviors. A study in 1966 by the University of Minnesota, Minneapolis, on a group of 664 student volunteers show that young college adults were concerned about the physical attractiveness. Online polls showed that men are more concerned about the weight of a date, while women are concerned about a potential partner's height. Women with 20 pounds overweight and men even just an inch under the average height have a tougher time getting a date. Studies show that shorter men have lesser reproductive success than taller men, as taller men have greater ability to attract mates. Women are more attracted to men who have ideal hunting physique, narrow waists, strong shoulders, and broad chests. Researchers show that a potential date is made more attractive by adrenaline. Infants from 2 to 6 months of age don't prefer to look at unattractive adults. Rather, they'd prefer attractive adults. Women who wear red are found to be more attractive by men, and also there are higher chances that they would be asked on a date. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.